everybody, and today we're gonna play Guess Who. First, you choose your person. I'm gonna be Rochelle, okay? So, I am gonna open all my cards. So I do like this. I open all of them one at a time. And once I finish opening all of them, and Dad's also, and he chose this person, we can start playing. Have you finished that?
I'm gonna choose one as well.
Okay, I'm finished. Can you see my person? Can you read her name? Right here. Rochelle. Okay?
Alright, we start. Who?
Can I go first?
Yeah.
Okay. Is your person a boy? Yes. So yes means that he is a boy. So I close all the girls. Okay? And if he's a girl, so that means I close all the boy. But right now, he's a boy. Okay? Remember, Mick is a boy.
Okay. Mike, not Nick.
Mike. Okay.
Is your person a girl?
Yes. So that means he's gonna take out all the boys.
All the boys.
Out.
Can you help me close, please?
Boy. I know he was talking to me for 1 second.
Finish all the boy. Okay, now your turn.
Does your person wear a hat? No. So I take out all the people that haven't wearing hats. Hope he wears glasses. That's gonna be my next question. Or brown eyes. Nah, I'm never.
Alright, your turn.
Does your person wear glasses? Yes. So you take out all the Does your person wear glasses? Yes. It's easy too.
Alright, now we have how many left?
1, 2, 3.
We have 3 left. So
And
please
we
take
have
your
2
S.
left.
So our question now, whether we're gonna beat her and we have to guess who, okay? Who you gonna guess? Which one? Or you want to ask another question? You gonna guess now?
Come on, guess. Does your person have white hair? I said no. Does your person have brown eyes? Yes. Your turn.
Okay, we win because we're only 2 left. She make a mistake. She should guess the name. Is your person named Emily or Rochelle?
No.
Which one you gonna?
Does your person have...
If you ask that, so that means next she gonna ask the name.
That's true.
And then we lose. Okay?
She.
So either Emily or Rochelle. She choose. So we don't know which. So we guess which one.
Amy.
Okay. We guess. Is your person is Emily?
No.
Oh no!
And I already won, so that means I have one point. Thanks.
And we continue play game Guess Who like that until the person who got 5 points first is the winner of the game. Thank you for watching.